Hey there, welcome back to today's video. It's time to wash their dogs, and I thought I would have you join me in this fun adventure because I've got to start with this cute little Chihuahua Molly, and then it's on to our 3 Siberian Huskies that have already been brushed out this morning and produced a huge pile of hair as usual. So after that, it's the monthly bath. So let's get to it. Hey everybody, my name is Heather. Thank you so much for being here. In today's hashtag dog edition, I am giving all 4 dogs a bath in one day, which I usually spread it out within 4 days, but today I decided to condense it all. How often do you give your dogs a bath or your pets? Leave your comments below. I'd like to know what you do with your dogs. So because our dogs are extra dusty and get pretty dirty, I have to rinse them off first. Then I will wash them with shampoo, rinse that, wash them with shampoo again, and then rinse that. Sometimes I will use conditioner, but today I didn't. So I decided to give the dogs a bath from oldest to youngest, and so that would be Molly would be the oldest, and next is Miss Nikita. She lost her eye last year in 2019 after contracting glaucoma in her eye, and we had to have it surgically removed at the vet. I think it was more traumatic for us than it was for Nikita, but she seems to have adapted so well to just her one eye, and hopefully she can keep the other eye healthy. So the blue mitt I'm using is a car wash mitt I found at the Dollar Tree, and then the shampoo I'm using is some that I found at Ross. So this is our male, Dakota, who found us. We didn't find him, and then decided he was going to marry Miss Nikita. And then they had 4 puppies, and we decided to keep one and give one to our kids in Texas, and then we gave 2 away to some other people, and then we got all 3 of them fixed, and now that's why we have 3 Siberian Huskies. And last but certainly not least would be Miss Mishka. She's a super sweetheart. We love her to death. So because of our beloved Huskies and the fact that their season for shedding is January through December, we actually tore out all of our carpeting, and we only have hardwood flooring and carpeting or rugs that are able to be washed. And that's how I try to keep the hair and dust down with Huskies. What is having pets done to alter the way that you keep your home clean? I would be super curious to know. Leave your comments below. Ooh la la, nothing better than a fresh smelling clean dog. Thank you for watching.